Are you trying to create a table of content in Word but nothing shows up? That's because you are missing one important step. I'll show you right away in seconds. Okay, to do this, now we have our data here. To create a table of content, the first thing we have to do is to highlight your section titles. And to do that, you select what you want to highlight as a section title. Then you go to Home tab, then you go to Style here. Then from here, you highlight according to your section title the way they are arranged. You apply heading 1 for main sections or use heading 2 for subtopics. For our case, we only have main title, so we use heading 1. Then do that for everything. Background, heading 1, methodology. Highlighting this tells Word what to include in your table of content. Now place your cursor at the top where you want to insert your table. Then go to reference, then you click table of content, then you choose automatic table of content, and done. Word builds it for you automatically. If you make changes later, maybe I want to change the section background to backgrounds, introduction to introductions, methodology, results, I write results section. For these changes to appear in the table, you just click on the table, then you click update and you select update entire table, and the changes appear automatically as you can see here. Kindly subscribe, follow and like for more quick word tips like this.